What's going on, guys? So we got this Cybertruck finish in Avery, Dennison, dark gray, and it looks awesome. So one of the things that I found out with Cybertrucks is that this is the flattest part. So every single one that we've actually worked on, it's like Bug City right over here. We think that adding PPF, if anywhere, would be the front bumper. I didn't really see a problem with like the hood or any of the sides because it just kind of deflects. So even like the hood, the way that it's angled, we really haven't had any issue with anything kind of sticking on there. So we want to make sure that we protect this vinyl wrap and also what's underneath. So we got this paint protection film. It's clear, so it won't change the look of it, but we're going to go ahead and install it. So this is slightly different, where it's actually wet install compared to vinyl, which is going to be a dry install. And what we do is we just kind of hydrate the surface, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do something called reverse roll method, which I'm going to just stick right here. And you want to grab it from me? Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to just hold it here. And then,
you good?
Yep.
Okay.
And then just roll it all the way out. Yeah, just pull that and I'll just hold it. Ow. Sorry. And that's pretty much it. And then we're just going to spray a lot more. You gotta spray the top on top. All right, and then let's go ahead and move that. All right. Cool. Can you give me more slack on your side? This thing's aggressive right away.
Can I get that slip?
Yeah. All right.
Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tack this side. Just kind of get it right to the edge. And then squeegee. Can't even see it on this side. That's awesome. And then what we always do with PPF is kind of go over it, double take, and going all the way out again. And then we're gonna make sure that this is hydrated. Is it still moving?
A little bit is sticking on this side.
Okay. We'll go ahead and feel. We'll go ahead. Okay, hold that. All right, go ahead, right here, and then if you can help me align it.
Yep, in the middle or right here?
On the bottom.
Okay.
You know that corner right there?
Yep. You want it to all go to the end?
Yeah, is it all the way to the end?
Nope.
Okay, so you can move it.
Yep.
If you need to stretch it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Right there is good.
Sick. Oh. This is like so satisfying. I love doing this part.
Good.
All right, so we're gonna do the same thing, do a double take. And this is just making sure that I didn't miss anything. Sick. All right, and then each of this is a real line.
Yep.
Sweet. So I forgot another bottle, if I'm being totally honest. So we're just using water. Water is tack. So what you do is in the edges, you just kind of add a little bit of water. And water is actually going to make it seal PPF. Because what you're doing is essentially flushing out the soap solution with the water. And that just makes sure that it completely adheres. And I'm just sealing all the edges. So just doing that, doing the other side. And this is going to be available as a do-yourself kit. I think this is one of the easier mods. Even if you don't vinyl wrap your car, I think this is worth it. I think if you own the Cybertruck for like 1 week, you'll know how difficult it is to keep, especially the doors clean and also the front bumper from bugs. So if anything, this is worth, I think, the upgrade. It'll be very, very quick. Sweet. And then last thing is going to be just inspecting. Just wiping everything down. And look for any bubbles. The main areas that I look for is the bubbles are going to be up here because the water tries to come down and then it can re-enter. But that's why we use that the sealing part. But I don't see any issues. That pretty much sums it up. Now this bumper is protected. It's going to be way easier to clean, which is going to be awesome for the owner. Stay tuned for the actual reveal. Hopefully you learned something. But if you have any questions, let us know. We'll see you later.